Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about Lesson 65, prime and composite numbers. So write these definitions down please. The one in green, a number with exactly two factors is a prime number. So a prime number is 2, 3, 5, and 7 on the list of 1 through 10. The only factors that they have are 1 and itself. A composite number is any number with more than two factors. So 4, it has the factors 1, 2, and 4. 6, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are its factors, so it's composite. 8, 9, and 10, they're all composite numbers. However, 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's there all by itself because its only factor is itself. So, what do we do with all of this? Let's take a look at example number 1. The first 3 prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. What are the next 3 prime numbers? So we're going to start by making a list of the next numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That'll do for now. If we need to keep going, we can. So we know from the list that we just looked at that 6 is not prime, and I know that because its factors are 1 times 6, 2 times 3, so its factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So 6 is not prime, it is composite. 7, its factors are 1 and 7. I have no other way to get 7, so 7 is a prime number. Its only factors are 1 and itself. 8, I have factors 1, 8, 2, and 4, so this is not prime, it is composite. 9, I can multiply 1 times 9, but I can also multiply 3 times 3, so 3 is also a factor as well as 1 and 9, so 9 is composite. 10, we can make 10 by multiplying 2 times 5, so it has more than 2 factors, it is composite. 11, I have 1 and 11, and that's it. So 11 is a prime number. 12, I can make in several ways. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. 12 actually has 6 factors, so 12 is composite. But 13 only has 1 and itself. There's no other way to make 13. So the next 3 prime numbers are 7, 11, and 13. So if you're looking at a number and you're not sure, you need to ask yourself, does it have at least one factor? Notice all 3 of these, 2, 3, 5, 2 being the only exception when it's a factor, but 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, they're all odd numbers. Except for 2, primes will be odd. Any even number has a factor of 2, so it will not be a prime number. Okay, let's look at example 2. Okay, draw 3 arrays for the number 16. First, what is an array? So, an array is a rectangular shape showing multiplication. So what do I mean by that? An array, let's make an example for 12. 12. So I can write, and I'm going to use x's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would show one row times 12, 12 columns. I could also make an array for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This would show 2 rows times 6 columns. Another example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be 4 rows times 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns. So notice if I outline these, they're all making a rectangle. They're very even. Even though my drawings aren't quite even, if I was to line these X's up perfectly, they would make a nice, pretty rectangle of various shapes. However, inside those shapes are always 12 rectangles in even rows and even columns. So how do I make an array for 16? I have to think about my factors for 16. So how can I make 16? 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. So if I was going to make an array for each of these, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you can use any shape. You can use rectangles, squares, triangles. For your symbol, circles, I'm using X's because I like X's. Okay, 2 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice each row is the same, each column has the same number. And my last one, 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so these are my 3 different arrays using different factors. Now I could take this one and I could actually turn it over and do it vertically like this. These are actually different arrays because this is 2 times 8 and this is 8 times 2. Notice we say the row and then the column. Either way is acceptable, okay? All right, I think that's it for tonight. Let me double check. That's it. Here's your lesson practice, only A through D, and we will see you in the morning.